beg, I dey go work and I no carry any money for my pocket. So, man, know whether it will fit help me. Now, government outside, I dey go. I beg. Okay, thanks, sir. Oga, AC there for this car, so.
It's shocking.
You know, get AC.
The finish of the man.
I pity you. They suffer. Now, wow. This is why I thought I they pity you. If I know say this car no gay, so for no enter. As I did now, I know the light suffer.
You are a mumu man.
I go the drive car without AC. I they pity you. They try, sir.
A mumu man.
They try, but not be your fault, sir. You know, say this country, that's what it be.
This is Nigeria.
If you all AC now, full go finish. But if I know say you know get AC, I for no enter.
What I'm trying to say.
I know they like this, you know.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay now. Do I look like a madman?
Oh, you talk like a madman.
No, I just like I pity you. You dey suffer.
Think say they
You dey suffer.
Do you have
If me wear carry leg where they go, self. I know say
do you have a car?
I don't have car, but no, this one, you don't carry me. Thank God, though.
Have you ever bought a car before?
Me? No.
Why do you say you walk?
I'm a gate man for one hotel like that. I'm a gate man. But my future car go better pass this your own, I know. My future car go fine. I know go buy car when no
You're a
get.
gate man for government house.
Yes.
And you want me to on AC for you?
Okay, you 2 days follow me, they suffer. Now, no be, they start say you get. They talk like say you get AC, you know get AC. Your car, see, I beg. Man, no go provoke you. I know say you they help me. I say you they help me.
You go down from my car.
Get right here, man.
Why now?
My car doesn't have AC.
No verse. Nah, I never reach like
Go down
that.
from my car, my friend. My car doesn't have AC.
But I never reach where they go now.
How do you mean? Can you get down from my car?
Okay, I never reach now. No be, and I just joke at the joke. I'm not serious.
They burn me, burn you.
I beg you, don't help me. Just help me reach to the end now. Make you no go start with you no go finish you. Even God no go like him. I beg you don't help me. You're a good man, oh. Yeah, a good man. But what thing I say if you say if you want to buy a car, buy a better car. Not buy all this kind pity. See what you...
Mad people everywhere. Mad people everywhere.
Okay, sir. You are my helper, sir. I'm my helper because I'm waiting. I prayed.
You don't
in the morning before I come out.
You don't have a car. You don't even have a bicycle. You work as a gate man in hotel. I know your salary will not be more than 10,000.
You not even rich, but if my future car, no say my future car go. Thank God for helping me, sir. But my future car, no say go better pass this one. The car I want buy, Wow. My brother, I know feel life for you. What do they see, Man, I no go fit see am. That person go there inside car, heat. See my body.
Sorry, yo.
I dey poor, but I know if I want buy car, what is this? How can I buy this kind of car?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I don't blame you, Shana. The way where this country put us. But no, Allah, you tried. But my family itself, I never see person will buy this kind of car. You tried, yeah? But if I want buy, this car, and I go, my children go there and they go through where Thursday for Aswama place.
Will you keep quiet?
Be smart thing. Why you stopping? I never reach you.
Get out from my car.
Okay, pardon me now. My joke, I joke.
Get out from my car. Joke what? Look at this. Get out from my car, my friend. What's your problem?
This is Nigeria.
Nigeria. Just because I'm on TV now. Person we don't get work, checking to see if my watch is original. This is Nigeria. Whether Madam Philomena, money vanish for your office.
This my mouth, sir. Shall not. Don't go put me in my trouble. I know get. I can't abuse person. See what I got for my.